Hey everyone, welcome back to Thousand Islands Toyota, located at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2021 Toyota Sienna Hybrid XSE. It's a 4-door, 7-passenger minivan, and this is the Midnight Black Metallic exterior color. It's got a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine and puts out 245 horsepower. It's got a 68 liter tank and delivers fuel economy ratings of 6.6 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 6.5 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway. This equates to 43 miles per gallon in both the city and on the highway. Let's check out all the features. Alright, here we are on the driver's side. Door panels have power locks and windows. Couple of door pockets with bottle or drink holders. We have sport Softex leather seats. Front seats are heated, and the passenger seat has 4-way power adjustments, and the driver's seat has 8-way power adjustable controls, as well as the lumbar support control. Got a push start button, heated leather wrapped steering wheel with Bluetooth and audio controls, as well as the Safety Sense 2.0 controls, which are displayed up here in the 4.2-inch color TFT multi-information display screen. Sorry, there we go. So here's your driver's assistance settings. Okay, moving over, we've got the 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that is Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And it's got a 3-month all-access trial to Sirius XM satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth radio, and where your backup camera is displayed. All of your audio is heard throughout 8 speakers. Moving down, we've got the climate control and this long full dash cubby going straight across to the passenger side with the USB audio input, leather wrap shift knob, 2 cup holders there, and we've got our drive mode options, electronic brake holds. Lift this up, 2 more cup holders, and our flip up center console storage, the super deep well, and 2 charging ports here. Passenger side door panel has power locks and windows. And looking up, power slide and tilt moonroof. And above the auto dimming rear view mirror, we've got all of the controls up here for your moonroof, as well as your trunk release and your power side door controls. And you have your integrated garage door opener up there as well. All right, we're gonna pop back outside. The 2021 Toyota Sienna Hybrid XSE has premium LED headlamps, LED daytime running lights, sport front and rear fascia, sport grille, 20-inch alloy wheels, heated exterior mirrors, smart key system, black painted roof rails, power slide doors on each side, also have kick sensor. Coming around to the back. Power lift rear door. Opening to lots of cargo room back here. It's quite deep as well. And as you can see, the third row rear seating has 60/40 split foldable controls. You can see them back here. And then you've got a storage cubby over here. Alright, back here, the Softex leather seats continue. Got your captain seats with adjustable armrests. Manual adjustments, high slide. Got 2 more charging ports here, as well as some cup holders. Each side has your power door controls. Seat pockets. Netted bottle holders on each seat here. And in our third row, each side has 2 more cup holders, as well as 2 more charging ports. Interior lighting and your ventilation. Coat hooks, and your climate control. Tons of room back here, lots of headspace. Got your handles. Alright folks, that was a 2021 Toyota Sienna Hybrid XSE. In the midnight black metallic exterior color. Perfect family vehicle with the great combination of sport and luxury. Tons and tons of features, guys. You gotta come down and check this out for yourself. So give us a call at 613-342-9111 and one of our product advisors would be happy to get you set up with an appointment.